In this video, we are going to fix Roblox Microsoft Store driver errors. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is that you need to open your Microsoft Store and try to sign out your account and then sign it in again. Once you are done, check if the error has been resolved. However, if not, then I want you to clear the Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows key and R key together, and in this small window, type for wsreset.exe, and then click on the OK button to continue. So you'll get to see this blank window. Please wait until this procedure would be finished. This will help you to fix the problem. So check if the error has been resolved, and if not, then let's move on to the last solution, and that is to repair and reset the Microsoft Store app. Okay? So close this window first, and I want you to navigate to your search box and type for store. And then once a best match has been seen, please proceed to enter it, make a right click, and then click on app settings. Now from here, please scroll down, locate for repair and reset, click on this too. Wait until this procedure would be finished. And once you are done with this, I want you to check if the error has been resolved, okay? So that's it. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.